You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American artist and painter. If you want to learn more names of famous artists that too many people still get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos. Abstract painter, abstract expressionism. Mark Rothko is how it's pronounced. So Mark, you probably already knew that in American English. Mark, American pronunciation Mark. Roth, TH, as is usual, with your tongue between your teeth, like in think or that. Rothko, how to pronounce American English. Mark Rothko, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.